Hello friends, today I'm going to make this Lego man. I'm going to take the pieces apart. I took apart my Lego man and these are the pieces. You can use any colors you want. Let's get started. I'm done with his one shoe. I'm going to make the other shoe now. And I'm done with his shoes. I'm going to make his legs now. I'm finished with one leg. Now I'm finished with the other leg. I'm going to join both the legs. Now I'm finished with his pant. I'm going to get started with his shirt. Now I'm done with his shirt. I'm going to make his tie. I made my person's tie blue. You can make your person's tie any color you want. Now I'm going to start the arms. And then this is his hand. I'm going to finish the other one. And now we're going to finish the last and final part, the face. This is the face and this is his hair. I hope you make this Lego man at home and have fun.